AdRoll Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to AdRoll are in the description. AdRoll is a powerful digital advertising platform designed primarily for e-commerce brands and businesses looking to optimize their retargeting, display, and social media ad campaigns. It specializes in helping businesses re-engage site visitors who didn't convert, making it an excellent choice for increasing sales and brand awareness. AdRoll supports a range of ad formats, including display, social, email, and video ads, allowing brands to create a seamless omni-channel marketing strategy. One of AdRoll's biggest advantages is its AI-driven targeting and automation. It uses machine learning to analyze customer behavior, optimizing ad delivery to increase engagement and conversions. The platform integrates with major advertising channels like Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more, ensuring businesses can reach their audience wherever they are. Additionally, its dynamic retargeting feature personalizes ads based on users' past interactions, making campaigns more relevant and effective. AdRoll also offers a user-friendly dashboard with detailed analytics, providing insights into key performance metrics such as click-through rates, CTR, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. With its marketing automation tools, users can set up email sequences, automated ad campaigns, and cross-channel remarketing without manual intervention. This makes it an excellent tool for both small businesses and large enterprises looking for efficiency and scalability. Pricing is flexible, with options for self-serve advertisers and managed services for larger budgets. The platform offers a free trial, and users can choose between pay-as-you-go or monthly subscription plans. While AdRoll excels at retargeting, its ability to manage full-funnel campaigns across multiple platforms makes it a versatile advertising solution. If you're an e-commerce business or a brand looking to enhance customer retention and drive conversions, AdRoll is a top-tier choice. It simplifies ad management, automates engagement, and ensures your marketing budget is used efficiently. Check the links in the description to explore AdRoll and start optimizing your ad strategy today.